Hello everyone. When I woke up today morning, I was thinking about the special of this day. Yes, September 5, Teachers' Day. Being a teacher, I was thinking about my class teachers. There were many teachers who inspired me, and one of the inspiration is Mr. Palaniyappan. I would like to share a few incidents about Mr. Palaniyappan. He was a science faculty, but we were poor at English because we studied in a government school. We did not know anything about English and grammar. That science faculty, Mr. Palaniyappan, went and attended spoken English class, grammar class to teach the government school students. A science faculty who learned English to teach their children who studied in a government school, it's really a great inspiration for me. Because in government school, mostly nobody take care of the other subjects. If they are science faculty, they will teach science great. If they are maths faculty, they teach maths very great. But being a science faculty, he learned English to teach the 10th standard students, because 10th standard was very important on the closing of the school. So that incident inspired me a lot, and I would like to say Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers who inspired me directly and indirectly. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.